Namaskar and a very good afternoon. Welcome to this special audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Bannerjee. Last 3 trading session में there has been a dramatic decline in dollar rupee. उसके पहले for 2 months nearly dollar rupee was caught between 74.20 and 75. Just 80 paisa range for 2 months and then 1 rupee 30 paisa decline in 3 trading sessions. So 3 questions that come to mind are: why was it in a range? What happened over the past 3 trading sessions? And what's the way forward? So first, why was it in a range? वो range इसलिए था because of a couple of factors. Factor number 1, RBI was buying dollars very aggressively क्योंकि तब Asian currencies were a bit weak and dollar index was strong. क्योंकि global market में expectation ये था Fed is going to go for taper and they will sound hawkish in the Jackson Hole Symposium. हुआ पूरा उल्टा. So that's why it was in a range. Now, what changed was that from last Friday onwards, the expectation started to build that Fed will not be so hawkish, and that's the reason why. And then at the same time, FPI flow started to increase over the past weeks, especially in debt. Debt market in India received the highest ever flows since March of 2019, close to $1.6 billion. तो इतना बड़ा flow एक साथ आ गया. और जैसे ही जैक्सन होल सिम्पोजियम में फेड chairman sounded quite dovish, it was like adding fuel to the fire, and dollar rupee broke down below 74.10 support. And the third most critical factor, weakness in the dollar index को देखते हुए RBI भी reduce their pace of intervention. तो RBI का जो buying था वो घट गया और ये stop losses को trigger करने लगा below 74.10. Fortunately, in our trade, we were long 74 put because we had this inkling of expectation that हो सकता है कि the entire market is so positioned for upside move post Jackson Hole. There is a possibility कि it can slide. So we were advising our clients 2 kinds of trades. Either you can buy a strangle, which means a call and put and expect a big move either up or down, or if you want to take a one-sided bet, then buy the 74 put, and both worked fantastically well. Now it has come to 73 almost. The question is, what is the way forward? The question number 3. Abhi dollar index has started to bottom out. Abhi whether this is the durable bottom or not, we have to see. But it is showing signs of bottom, which is again a positive news for dollar rupee. But equity market is strong, which is negative for dollar rupee. But जो सबसे बड़ा factor वो determine करेगा whether dollar rupee forms a bottom or not is what is the action of the RBI, because market is going to test the RBI now. Last एक साल में RBI has been very active in buying dollar rupee whenever it went below 73, and we expect that RBI may actually do the same. So which means that possibly between 72, 75 to 73, dollar rupee may try to bottom out on the futures. Upside will be capped around 73, 75, max 74, because exporters who have not hedged will come into the market to sell on an uptick. So exporters will sell on an uptick, and obviously the speculators will be there because of this downtrend. But at lower levels, RBI will accumulate. So we may see dollar rupee slip into a range between 72-75 से 73-75 का. तो इसको trade करने के लिए there are few ways. You can use futures to sell dollar rupee once you get a spike up in the prices, or you can sell out of money call options as well. So this is why it was in a range, what triggered the slide, and what's the view forward. So this is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.